Welcome to General Knowledge Quiz, Tips and Tricks channel. Let's start with the quiz number 9, that will help you gain knowledge. Let's see if you answer all correct, then you are a genius. Comment below and let us know how many answers you got it right. Question 1. Which crop occupies the maximum cultivated area in India? Here are your options. Option 1, wheat. Option 2, rice. Option 3, sugarcane. Or, option 4, millets. The correct answer is, option 2, rice. Next question. Question 2. When is the World Labor Day celebrated every year? Here are your options. Option 1, May 1st. Option 2, March 1st. Option 3, April 1st. Or, option 4, May 31st. The correct answer is, option 1, May 1st. Next. Question 3. Where is the oldest bookshop in the world? And the options are: Option 1, United States of America. Option 2, Greece. Option 3, England. Or, option 4, Portugal. And the answer is, option 4, Portugal. Next question. Question 4. Which acid is found in an apple? Here are your options. Option 1, citric acid. Option 2, ascorbic acid. Option 3, malic acid. Or, option 4, oxalic acid. The correct answer is, option 3, malic acid. Next. Question 5. How tall is the Statue of Unity? And the options are: Option 1, 182 meters. Option 2, 106 meters. Option 3, 93 meters. Or, option 4, 300 meters. The correct answer is, option 1, 182 meters. Next question. Question 6. From the given options, which country has 2 capitals? Here are your options. Option 1, South Africa. Option 2, Bolivia. Option 3, Spain. Or, option 4, Russia. The correct answer is, option 2, Bolivia. Next. Question 7. From the given options, which animal has blue blood? And the options are: Option 1, blue whale. Option 2, blue crane. Option 3, shark. Or, option 4, octopus. And the answer is, option 4, octopus. Next question. Question 8. Which batsman holds the record to reach fastest 20,000 runs? Here are your options. Option 1, A.B. de Villers. Option 2, Sachin Tendulkar. Option 3, Virat Kohli. Or, Option 4, Rohit Sharma. The correct answer is, Option 3, Virat Kohli. Next. Question 9. Where was Shivaji Maharaj born? And the options are: Option 1, Nagpur. Option 2, Nashik. Option 3, Pune. Or, Option 4, Aurangabad. And the answer is, Option 3, Pune. Next question. Question 10. Which country celebrates its Independence Day on March 1st? Here are your options. Option 1, South Korea. Option 2, Canada. Option 3, Israel. Or, Option 4, New Zealand. The correct answer is, Option 1, South Korea. Next. Question 11. Which animal has the strongest sense of smell? And the options are: Option 1, tiger. Option 2, bears. Option 3, wolf. Or, Option 4, elephant. And the answer is, Option 2, bears. Next question. Question 12. Which was the best international feature film of the year 2020 at Oscars? Here are your options. Option 1, Corpus Christi. Option 2, Les Miserables. Option 3, Honeyland. Or, Option 4, Parasite. The correct answer is, Option 4, Parasite. Next. Question 13. What is the name of male sex hormone? And the options are: Option 1, testosterone. Option 2, penis. Option 3, progesterone. Or, Option 4, estrogen. And the answer is, Option 1, testosterone. Next question. Question 14. Which gas is filled inside the bulb? Here are your options. Option 1, argon. Option 2, neon. Option 3, argon and neon both. Or, Option 4, none of the above. The correct answer is, Option 3, argon and neon both. Next. Question 15. 1 Newton is equal to how many dyne? And the options are: Option 1, 10 to the power of 4th dynes. Option 2, 10 to the power of 5th dynes. Option 3, 10 to the power of 6th dynes. Or, Option 4, 10 to the power of 7th dynes. And the answer is, Option 2, 10 to the power of 5th dynes.
Thanks for watching our channel. We will bring more educational videos soon, so please subscribe to our channel for notifications and share with your family and friends.